Hi everyone. Today is the day 5th of our ongoing series of advancing our communication skills and improving our speaking English so that we can able to communicate with people smoothly. Yeah. And actually I have decided that for the first week we will just try to speak random stops not on a specific topic. That is because I wanted to first how I can able to speak in front of camera and how I am giving my expressions while I am talking with others. So that is the things first we need to learn in the first week, and this is the ultimate goal we have to achieve in our first week of in this series. As you can see that after day by day I am also improving and I am able to communicate without hesitations, and when I sit on the camera I am able to communicate comfortably and without any type of hesitations and lack of confidence, and it also giving me lots of confidence while I am talking. And yeah, also how I speak so other persons can able to understand me, not too slow, not too fast. That's why that other people can communicate with me also. And also I am trying to set a environment around me where people will try to talk in English with me, and also I will try to talk. In this way we can learn things from others and also lot of things. And this is how things are going for the last 5 days. And yeah, I am definitely so motivated and to record this video. This is the fifth day of our series, and I don't think I am doing too much in these videos because it's just the starting days of our series. So we can keep things slowly and we move step by step. So we are not in rush to move and things learn so fastly. I know it's definitely going to take some times to learn if you are going to be a very different type of, I mean we are not in rush to things to learn things so fastly. We are taking just step by step, and also I am observing that I am improving day by day. So this is the result I have been expecting from myself if I give some efforts in this field. I mean in communication skills. This is the how things are going. As I also wanted to speak English and talk with people in English. So this is my also a dream that will come true if I put some efforts and work on these things. There are two things I need to improve in this the first week. First is my body language and my face expressions while I am talking with other people, because these two things matter most of your confidence and so how you are talking with other people. So hand, and also add one thing, your hand movement. I have also talked about this in my previous video that how you are going to use your hand movements while you are talking. In that way, people will understand much better while you speak. So this is the things we are learning and improving ourselves. This is how things will go when you try and give your efforts. So this is the, and yeah, I am also trying to learn some meaningful and reading books and novels. In that way I can also maintain our my speaking without lack of hesitations and different type of things. We'll try definitely. So that's for the introductions, and we will do some practice sessions with other peoples on also to see if I am improving or not, because here I am just speaking in front of camera, but in the real time if I am talking with a real time persons, how I am expressing and how I am talking, it's always matter. So this is the things I need to communicate people with properly. Actually the thing is that I am not getting that type of environment where people talk in English and also motivate you, but you have to build that environment around yourself, and you have to motivate people around you to speak them in English and tell them that how this English language is important for us and to in our lot of things. If we learn these things, it is that if we learn speaking in English, it's definitely going to help in different type of ways that we have been not expecting or imagining. Once you learn this language, you will definitely see you like a different type of persons, because when you make changes in yourself, it's definitely going to give you a different type of output, and you definitely see the result how your things are going. And it's not like what I say, it's it's not like a simple thing to improve yourself in a month. You have to keep things continue and continue to improve yourself and learn how things are going. And also try to some watch English videos, English musics, that will really going to help you your listening power and other understanding power. Also you can try to watch some introductions, I mean some English speeches of players in sports, or also English podcast you can watch if you are interested. But I don't think these things will help too much, because because the moment you start speaking, it's really help you to achieve what you wanted. Guys, there are different type of things happening when you try to do things. People will talk about you that you are trying to show off by speaking English, but don't take them seriously and just do what you are doing, because they are not going to help you, they are just going to demotivate you. But you have to keep motivated and keep the things consistent if you wanted to improve yourself in communication skills. So that's the way you can improve yourself and do much better. In you can see that from the last times I have improved little more, and that's give me too much motivations to move forward. And that's how the things st- and that's the how things move quickly when you start giving all efforts and working hard for yourself. So you must work on yourself to improve your English speaking, and that's the way I am going to do things. I am not making any type of script, just I am saying what random stuff I am I can think and I can say, because this is the way when you talk with people. So you are not going with a script, you just have to talk with them. So you must be ready, whatever the situations you get, you have to deal with that without any type of hesitations and lack of what meanings. I mean, when you start with communicating in real time, you just go blank while speaking. Only the things is going to help you in future what you are learning in the time you have. I mean, in your 20s, when you have lot of times to learn and in your 20s you have lot of times to explore things and learn lot of skills that will definitely going to help in your future after 25 or like 30s, when you are like in or mid stage of your life, and when you need to do lot of things and earning for your and your family. So this is the really crucial time when you have to work on yourself and learn different type of things, like you have to build your future step by step. This is the time where this is I mean this is the moment where you start building your future, and where you are seeing yourself by the things decide what you have been doing these times. You have to really learn things and skills that will definitely help. Otherwise, if you don't take these things seriously, I mean your education seriously, you have to face lot of difficult problems in your future, because this is the time you must put some hard works on yourself and learn things. So I will really suggest you to please learn things and take your things seriously, because if you waste these times, in future you are going to struggle in your field whatever you are doing. So that's why you have to work on yourself in these your 20s, because in this time we are too young and we can do lot of hard works and learn things. Also, in today's field you have seen lot of people are doing lot of things. Just see around yourself how people are moving forward in their future and how they are building their futures. So that's the way you can also build yourself. I mean, these things is not matter. I will definitely show you that how can someone improve yourself when you work on yourself and do hard works by yourself. To get the result you have must be consistent and do regular works to achieve what you wanted. And yeah, this is the ultimate goal of myself, to speak in English with lot of confidence and like a pro. So that's all for today. Thank you, and we will definitely do our this series for the next 30 days. So thank you for watching this, and we will continue our series. Thank you.